Have you ever wondered how to make restaurant quality Chinese barbecue pork at home? Today I'm going to show you how to create the delicious and sticky Char Siu Pork Belly, right in your own kitchen. Let's dive in. Today we're diving into a sticky one. Sticky little fingers all around, folks. Charred Siu, or Chinese barbecue pork. No shoes were charred. That's just a legit, authentic way of saying it properly in Cantonese. You know, like paella and espresso. It's a classic Cantonese favourite. Who doesn't enjoy a bit of sweet and juicy pork? Cut the pork into long strips, about 1 inch wide. Remove the skin and any bones or cartilage from the cut pieces. These can be very unpleasant if you discover one accidentally. We don't want that skin on it. It gets really tough, so we cut that off. This is looking good though. No bones, very nice. I'll do the rest off camera. To prepare the marinade, the stuff from the jar requires 20% of the effort and gets 80% of the result. Thanks Pareto for this win. Making the sauce is just too much work. Use the jar stuff from Kim Sum Lee because it's perfect. Yeah, and it's convenient because I don't need 55 spices. I don't need to pull out the vacuum chamber or the sous vide aquarium or fucking centrifuge just because some armchair commie chef who survives on microwavable meals, by the way, wants to beef about authenticity. Besides, I don't have all the ingredients, as a wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be, without wishing for what he has not. But maybe this is an example of the Dunning-Kruger effect. At the end of the day, I'm not a cock. I'm a family man, cooking for my family. When it comes to pork, meat penetration is number one priority. Anyway, marination. Ingredients: 700 grams of pork belly, a jar of Char Siu BBQ marinade, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, and 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix well to ensure the pork is thoroughly coated. Marinate the pork belly overnight in the refrigerator to enhance the flavours. Cover with cling film onto the meat. Marinate that for 3 hours, ideally 6. The next day, start by preheating your oven to 180 Celsius, 355 Fahrenheit, and reduce that by a further 20 degrees if you are using your oven's convection setting. Or set your grill up for indirect cooking. Line a baking tray with foil and fold it up the edges to make a watertight bath and place a rack over it. Add 250 milliliters of water to your tray to catch drips, and it will create a flavorful sauce later on. Position the pork on the rack and roast it in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. When the pork is roasting, mix 3 tablespoons of honey and 10 ml of liquid smoke in the bowl you use for marination. Remove the pork, baste it, turn it over, baste it, and roast for another 20 minutes. Remove the pork, baste it, turn it over, baste it again, and then roast for another 20 minutes. After the pork is roasted for a total of 40 minutes, remove it from the oven, glaze both sides with the honey mixture or the stuff you have, and return it to the oven for another 10 minutes. Now here's a tip. That steam bath, right, with water. To make restaurant quality Char Siu at home, I use this trick. Roast the pork on a baking rack above a pan of water, which acts as a steamer and helps keep the meat moist as it cooks. Speaking of steamers, I'm wondering how the Jedward boys are doing. Finishing touches. Once the Char Siu pork is cooked, remove it from the rack and allow it to cool before slicing. Drain the liquid from the bottom of the baking tray. Put it in the freezer or your fridge so it goes cold and the oil turns solid, okay? So you can easily remove the chunk of frozen surface fat and reserve it as a sauce. The black stuff in the bottom. Historical note: Char Siu, literally fork roasted, dates back to ancient China, where it was a method of cooking shoes over an open flame. This dish goes back 1,000 years. It Its name is Chinese for roasting a piece of meat on a long fork over an open fire. Cooking process. Tip: the meat needs to be cut into lots of pieces because we need a high ratio of bark to interior meat. We're essentially making candied pork belly. Tip: pop the water bath sauce into a ramekin into the fridge and the fat on the top will solidify for easy removal. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like, share and subscribe button. Comment below with your favourite barbecue dish and hit that notification bell for updates. We love Char Siu. Plus, making Char Siu fried rice with the leftovers is just mind-blowing. By the way, maltose is very sticky and the food gets shiny. Use a maltose-based sauce or make one at home. You can make your own sauce, but it's a lot of effort for very little improvement upon the high-quality store-bought stuff. This dish isn't for the faint of heart. It's rich, sweet and savoury. Nutritional info will be on the screen, but be warned, have you ever seen a skinny barbecuer? You are the Sun Tzu of your Char Siu, as Chef John might say.
Let's give it a taste.
Serve your Char Siu with steamed rice, pickled vegetables, or even in a fluffy bao bun. Garnish with sliced green onions and sesame seeds for that restaurant quality finish. A little twist at the top.
Soft,
Enjoy your
juicy.
delectable Char Siu Pork Belly, a dish that promises to be as satisfying to make as it is to eat. I love Chinese food. My favourite takeaway dish is number 69, which, like me, is rather tasty and effective.
I like that.
For the sake of this video, I identify as a Chinese man. Roses are red, violets are blue. Pork barbecue. Good barbecue is all about balance. Balance of heat, smoke, spice, sweetness, and likes, shares, and subscribes. You read between the lines here, folks. How do I like my pork belly? Boneless, like my pizza. Where was I? Hang on, I've lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, speaking of running trains, did you know that Sofia Vergara did 3 years of dentistry before she got into acting? Choo choo. Char Siu is what happens when pork is living its best life. Barbecue may not be the road to world peace, but it's a start. For an extra caramelized exterior, switch your oven to broil in the last 5 minutes or increase the grill heat. But watch it like a hawk, it burns really easily due to the super high sugar content.